Hi, I'm Bob McGarry. I'm part of a group of businessmen who are trying to raise funds for clinical trials for a cure for cancer. These trials will be part of the worldwide public domain, and no one in our group is going to make a dime from it. To begin our story, a few years ago, a member of our group became aware of a drug that was invented by a good friend of his who is the professor of pathology and pharmacology at a prominent U.S. university. The friend is a scientist who is the author or co-author of well over 200 peer-reviewed papers. His new drug has been published by the U.S. National Academy of Sciences, the International Journal of Cancer, and other journals. However, it has only been patented in the United States. The drug has been licensed to 3 separate companies, sequentially. However, all 3 companies have failed to raise the funds necessary to begin human clinical trials. Because of the patent situation, we are taking our program out of the country. It is because of the controversy that we are not mentioning the inventor or the owner of the patent. This new drug is one of a revolutionary class of molecules that predicts the therapeutic actions of synthesized proteins, and in this case, that selectively kills many types of cancer cells with no toxicity. The professor's new drug, used preclinically, has been tested against many different kinds of tumors, including human pancreatic cancer growing in mice, and has been found to be highly effective. It has been tested extensively in nude mice and in primates, and in all studies, tumors were eliminated with no side effects or toxicity. In our research with the drug, we have received reports and we've worked with doctors who claim to have successfully treated a number of human patients with the drug. The only hard data that we've received from these doctors are PET scans from a single patient. The scans of this patient over a 6-month period of treatment showed total elimination of liver tumors. We have all lost dear friends and family members to this horrible disease. Such losses cause us grief, certainly because of the loss, but also because a cure is so elusive. It is easy to see examples of how the medical community in the United States is floundering, with rising healthcare costs and interminable routes to the FDA's approval of medicine, even the most promising of medicines. Such a situation is unconscionable in a country with such wealth and resources. This brings me to our pitch to you. We need $50,000 right now so that we can do our own clinical trials in Mexico. We are confident that we will be able to cure the patients that we treat. Moreover, a successful trial will show venture capitalists and angel investors that the drug actually works. With the effectiveness proven, the drug can finally attract investors. The U.S. licensees will finally be able to begin trials with the FDA. After we cure the patients in a bona fide trial, our own group will seek funds for Mexican trials at CFepris, which is the country's equivalent of the FDA. We're in Europe with the hope that we can open clinics in Latin America. It is only then that we will be able to begin saving the lives of persons with this distressing and heartbreaking affliction. So we entreat you to help us. Help us to bring this drug to the world so that medical professionals can begin preventing the devastating deaths that otherwise disrupt and bring pain to victims' families and loved ones. We believe in our whole being that this drug will lead to a cure for cancer, and that it may become the penicillin for this terrible disease. When Jonas Salk discovered the polio vaccine, he declined to have it patented, believing that the cost would increase, making it unavailable to the poor. After Salk's example, no one in our group will make a dime from this project. And remember, your contributions are tax deductible. Contribute, please.